This is the CSX Chickasaw Creek Channel drawbridge, which is a swing bridge, located near Prichard, Alabama, and it's still in service for train traffic. It swings aside for boats and ships, and it swings back for railroad traffic. And so it's used by CSX Railroad. It's a through truss and swing bridge over the Chickasaw Creek Channel. So, it's still in service. So it's Alabama County, located between Mobile and Prichard, Alabama. So still in service for train traffic. It's a single track.